what advice would you have for someone looking to go to Collision to get a good experience of the event?
It could be Collision, it could be Web Summit in whichever one of the 3 cities they host it. But the thing that was lovely for us is we had that booth on there. Like having a booth, and doesn't take a lot of effort to get one, doesn't cost a huge amount, but like having something where someone comes to you rather than you always having to go out is a lovely thing. But if you're the person going round the booths, I think it's like that, like I was saying earlier, the ability to just say hello and talk to a stranger. We met all sorts of weird and wonderful people on that middle day. And it's just having that open-mindedness to go have a chat with someone that may have no utility for what you are looking for. But it can be a very brief interaction. I think lots of people have got scared out of that because they feel like they're about to get sold to, or they're worried they're going to sell to somebody. Honestly, that's my advice, is just like go up to people and say hello.
I would also say as like an advice thing, which is actually the point I found, which is even being a relatively extroverted person, it is quite draining energy-wise doing it for 3 days. So I think there's definitely a thing around planning kind of activities outside the day that aren't about talking tech and stuff to people. You need to kind of replenish yourself a bit, I think.